My name is Angela Tucker, test engineer at Kempower. We make chargers for electric vehicles. I have 2 degrees, one in computer engineering and one in electrical engineering. I think internships are really important. I've worked with a lot of interns and I've hired a lot of interns. They seem to get a lot out of their work experience and seem to have more of a better idea of what they want to do when they graduate after their internship. I work in manufacturing, so the priority in manufacturing is always production. So when I come in the mornings, if we have a system that's being tested and needs to be shipped, I'm always checking with our technicians to make sure that they're good to go, they don't have any test issues. I work with them on troubleshooting when they have errors. I work on our test equipment if it's having issues, and then usually I work on like other projects that we've got ongoing, whether it's like a new product or new software that we're working on, or tester upgrades and things like that. My biggest unexpected step that put me in this job was having a baby and taking a step back from my career for 2 years. Getting back into work after having a break isn't easy for moms, but our recruiter here actually reached out to me on LinkedIn, and it sounded like the perfect opportunity with a company that did really amazing things. Current career goal is leadership, being less on the technical side and getting more on the leadership side of things, which requires completely different skill sets. Like your technical skills aren't transferable to leadership. So I'm currently working on just more leadership skills, more like influencing people and building teams and things like that. Analytical skills are probably the most important thing for my job right now. Being able to take an issue and get to the root cause of the issue and develop a plan for how we're going to go forward and fix the issue. What's the root cause? What are things that could be causing the problem? And how do we go about fixing the problem? Working in this field is always like, it's never boring. I mean, I'm a type of person that gets bored kind of easily, but every day you come into something new. There's always a different thing to learn, especially being in this industry with EVs. It's still kind of a new industry, and I don't know, I've been here for a year. It feels like I've squeezed like 10 years worth of knowledge into that 1 year. Because there's just so much to learn. But yeah, I guess I like the dynamics of it, just always having something new to do, and definitely the people that I work with. This is such a new industry with so many opportunities. And when you're hiring somebody new in this field, you're not gonna get a perfect person, because you're not gonna be able to find somebody that knows everything, because there's just so few people that know everything about EVs. So yeah, it's a new industry that's got lots and lots of opportunities available, and more every day is just more and more opportunities. Companies really seem to value like experience sometimes over education, and there's plenty of people that have gone into engineering and don't use their degree at all. So yeah, I would say just don't be afraid to change, what you're doing.